Ka Sorkar jela ka itu ni Pyllong anya ka Jingshet Kyiad Tynrai da ka rukom shet ka basu Pdem ni fermented liquor. Mentah ka sengi ka Sorkar jela ka penkela ka mikhaya excise rule sispa sa pokendai da ka basu igiru thamai ban ai license ki ba shet Kyiad Tynrai ki basu Pdem. Ka jingilang ka kanhun menteri kalau menjul ban itu ka rukom shet Kyiad Tynrai da ka basu Pdem ka brakot akren pareng kum fermented country liquor. Hakani ki jala ki khasi karo ki don kasap ban set Kyiad kat ko mujing start ba ki jing sembut ki nadu muswa da ka pendon kam da ukhaw kumta sibenta ban kentiu ki tu badon hani kasap kumju ya rukom bam rukom di Tynrai ni kolsol bat ban penyo ya ka kamai ka ji ka Sorkar jala ka menjul ya rukom set Kyiad Tynrai hakani ki jala Tynrai ka jing set Kyiad pareng ne distill liquor kam kentup hani ka anyong ka Sorkar kani Kyiad ka ba Sorkar ka alaisen kalong gitu ki ba shet da ukhaw ba khot kumu bichi wadai ukhaw ba ju shet Kyiad ha karu hills u apong ukhaw ba ju shet Kyiad ha Arunachal Pradesh u judima ba ju shet Kyiad ha Assam bat kwi giwe kat kum shet Kyiad Tynrai.
So today cleared the amendment of the Meghalaya excise rules for the insertion of new rules 149A, license for fermented country liquor by individuals, firms, society, etc. This basically is an amendment and a rule that has been introduced for our local country fermented drinks that are made by our people, which are local drinks, but restricted to fermented ones only, not distilled ones. So the distillery is completely different. There are many agencies that make distilled ones, but we are sticking, and this amendment is mainly for the fermented. So like bacchi we make. So therefore we are now regulating that in a manner in which we will be able to, in a way, give the necessary permissions to people who would like to promote our local fermented drinks. Again, I'm repeating the word fermented because distilled ones are different, fermented ones are different. So the fermented products that are there, which already in fact are being made by our people, there was no framework to regulate them in the past. So we have created now a framework to regulate the fermented country liquor, and slowly we will now engage with others for the distilled one, because distilled ones are being done even at the traditional heads level and different things. So those need a bit larger engagement. But the fermented ones, as I said, are things that are being done at large scale, small scale, and now entrepreneurs also are very keen to make this more commercial in the sense from a tourism point of view. So all of these things are being done, and for that this amendment has been made, and this will now allow our local entrepreneurs and local individuals who are interested in this fermented country liquor to now produce it and make it in a proper manner, and a framework for that has been passed today by the cabinet. At the same time, in the excise department, they have also passed a decision, and the cabinet has approved the decision today, that there were earlier 3 categories for the bonded warehouses. One category was for turnover of 20 crores and above. Another was category B of 10 crores and up to 20 crores. And one was up to 10 crores. So there were 3 categories. We have reduced those 3 categories now to only 2 categories. So there will be category A, which is for 20 crores per annum and above, and those who are 20 crores and below. So below 20 crores. So those, so these 2 categories now have been made, reducing it from 3 categories because there was too much of complexity. So we have decreased it, and there are now only 2 categories: one above 20 crores turnover and one below 20 crores turnover. We have taken another decision today that was made was, as you know, that there was a wine policy that we have. So in that wine policy, we have only, as you're aware, we have fruits that we use, but now we are including rhizome, which is like ginger and bulb, rootstock, etc., floral sauces, honey. All these kind also have been converted into homemade wine. These products will also be included in the homemade wine policy, the fruit policy, which of course had come out quite a long time back. So these decisions were made today in the cabinet in regards to excise department.